Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best Himalayan salt night lamp on the market, the Spantik Pink Himalayan Salt Lamp. This hand-carved, natural night light is not only a beautiful addition to any room but also offers a variety of health and wellness benefits that make it stand out from other lamps. The Spantik Himalayan Salt Lamp is crafted from 100% authentic Himalayan rock salt, known for its natural pink hue and warm amber glow. Its unfinished, natural shape gives it a unique and organic look, making each lamp truly one of a kind. This lamp is designed as a night light with a compact size and lightweight feel, weighing just under 2 pounds. Making it easy to place anywhere in your home, whether in the bedroom, living room, or even an office or yoga space. One of the most interesting aspects of this lamp is its health benefits. When the bulb heats the salt rock, it emits negative ions that help purify the air around you. These negative ions can improve breathing, reduce allergy and asthma symptoms, and combat the effects of electro-smog from electronic devices. This can lead to better sleep, reduced stress, and an overall sense of relaxation. The warm pink light creates a peaceful ambiance that enhances your environment and promotes calmness. The lamp comes with an E12 bulb base and a 7-watt incandescent bulb, providing just the right amount of gentle illumination without overpowering your space. It features a touch switch for easy operation, and the plug is adjustable up to 360 degrees, allowing it to fit into any wall socket orientation. While it's not dimmable, the natural amber light is perfect for nighttime use, offering a cozy and romantic atmosphere. From a functional perspective, this lamp is very versatile. It serves as a stylish decorative piece while also functioning as a natural air purifier and a relaxing night light. Whether you're looking to enhance your bedroom decor, create a soothing corner in your living room, or add a unique touch to your workspace, this lamp fits seamlessly into any setting. The Spantik Himalayan Salt Lamp is also notable for supporting small businesses, adding an ethical dimension to your purchase. It's designed to operate on standard 120-volt outlets, so if you're outside the United States, you may need a converter. In summary, the Spantik Pink Himalayan Salt Lamp combines natural beauty, health benefits, and practical design in one affordable package. It offers a warm, inviting glow that not only lights your space but also helps improve air quality and promote relaxation. For anyone interested in enhancing their home atmosphere with a unique and health-conscious night light, this lamp is a compelling choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a Himalayan salt lamp that's authentic, functional, and stylish, the Spantik Pink Himalayan Salt Lamp is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.